evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a in the style try on haul for you. So without further ado, let's get started. For my first item in today's video, I picked out the black button detail waistcoat. I got this in a UK size 6 and it was £23, which I think is a really good price for this top. It feels super thick and of really good quality, and those button details are just giving it that beautiful old money premium look, but with a really budget price tag. And I can't wait to see what this one looks like on. I love the texture that this top has got as well. I just think it adds so much depth to this. And I think it's going to be very flattering because it looks like it's going to cinch you in at the waist and then like flare out and give you lots of shape on the hips. So let's try it and see what we think. Here is the first item on, and I love this outfit. I think it gives a very beautiful shape. It's got some different textures in. I love all the gold accents. I've just paired it with my Rib tailored trousers, my June loafers and my H&M shoulder bag with a little gold buckle belt, and I just think it ties in so nicely with this whole vibe. It's giving sophistication, classy and elegant. You could even wear this to an office job, but to be honest, I would just have this as like an everyday, a bit more glam outfit. It's very comfortable to wear, and you can actually wear this throughout all seasons, but this one for me is perfect for springtime when it is getting a bit warmer out, so you can sort of start stripping off a little bit, but it still needs some layers sometimes. So I really like this outfit. I have sized down in the top and I would recommend you guys doing the same because it really is flattering to the figure, and I've left the bottom button on the top undone just to allow it to flare out that little bit more and really enhance the shape of my hips. For my next item, we're going very similar to the top that we're wearing, but one I think is a bit more dressy. So this one is the Occasion Cream Bustier top. I got this in a UK size 8 and it was £23. So this one is very elegant. I love the cream colour, like that is just such a premium and classic colour. It's one that again is very timeless. I have gone for my normal size in this one and I'm a little bit nervous because the bust area on this one, with it being a bandeau, you need it to be quite snug. It's looking quite big and I don't have the biggest of busts, so I'll have to talk more about sizing when it's on, but it does have the same shape as the top I'm wearing, so I already know I love that about it. But of course, to pair with that, I picked out the matching cream tux Co-ord trousers. I went with a UK size 8 and these ones were £23. So with these ones being a wide leg trouser, I've just gone with my normal size in these. I love a floaty leg and a Co-ord is just a no-brainer for me. It makes an outfit so effortless, but it always looks super premium and high quality. I love the fact that this one has got like asymmetric belt detail. I think that's very effective and I can't wait to see these two on together. So let's just try them straight on. Okay, so here is the next outfit on, and I love this look. I think it's so classy and elegant. It's also giving a bit sophisticated, but this one is the perfect, even date night with Valentine's Day coming up, this is gorgeous. It's enhancing all the curves, really shows off the figure, but the only thing I will say is the top is big. So I would recommend everybody to size down in this. Like, this is way too big for me. It keeps falling down and the rubberized strip going across the top isn't actually even touching my skin, so that's doing nothing at this point. But I do really like the shape it gives. It cinches you in at the waist while flaring out at the bottom, and I love the fact that this bit does open on its own, so I haven't had to leave a button undone. It is just giving all the shape and I am obsessed. The trousers, they fit really nicely. You could probably size down in these as well, but to be honest, I don't think it massively matters with them being like a wide and floaty leg. I do quite like these when they're quite oversized anyway. They come to a very nice length on the leg and I'm 5'7". You can just see my heels coming out the bottom, but I really like that because a pointed toe just really enhances this look and just obsessed. I mean, these colours are timeless and always look so great on it as well. Next up, we're going a bit more casual everyday vibes because I picked out the soft touch short sleeve top. I got this in a size UK 8 and it was £22. So this one I already know I'm going to love. It's pretty hard not to. It's just a basic everyday t-shirt, one that's great for like the gym and active wear as well because it's in that sort of sweat wicking material. But this one is quite thick, so it is also great for like everyday layering. This one is in a very nice stretchy material. It feels super soft like butter, and I can't wait to try this one on because I think it's going to be very flattering. It's going to sort of cinch you in, and it's really going to hug your features. So I can't wait to try this one on. But to pair with it, I did pick out the everyday leggings. I got these in a UK size 6 to 8 and I also picked them up in a tall. That's the good thing about these ones, you can actually choose your leg length. These ones were £25. I actually am a little bit disappointed in these, only because of the material. These are in like a cotton type material. I'm not sure if you can see or see the difference. I wish there was in the same material as the t-shirt because I don't really like cotton like gym leggings. I just think they absorb all the sweat and then you have sweat patches on show, and I just don't think that's good for anybody. They are very thick though, so maybe you could get away with just wearing them as layers if you're going skiing. These would be great to have underneath your ski outfit. But let's try them on before we judge them too much. So here is the outfit together, and the good thing about this one is it's all black, so you can't really see too much and like see the different materials. I love the top. I think the top is great. It fits really nicely. I probably would size up in it though because it is sort of going under my armpits a little bit more than I'd have liked. But other than that, I think the fit is gorgeous, the feel is gorgeous, and the material feels so lovely on the skin. You can tell that this one is really premium. It also has like a little logo here, which I do really like because it's not in your face, but it does break up just the plain block colour of black. The leggings. This is where it gets a little bit complicated because I don't hate them, but I just don't really like them. I don't love the fit. I think the material put me off from the start, but you know where a legging feels quite tight around the thigh, but then everywhere else it fits fine? This is what this is giving. There's not that much stretch in them. They are comfortable now that they're on though, and everywhere is fitting well, other than then the waist. Can you see like around the waistband? It just sort of is a bit baggy and things. I just don't think they're really for me. I have 100% felt and worn nicer leggings, so I can't really recommend these to you. The good thing about them is you can choose like the leg length, and for the price tag you can 100% get a better version of these, but the top I am really liking and think you'll get a lot of use out of. But let's go on to the final item. So here it is, the brushed ribbed hoodie. I got this in a UK size 6 and it was £22. So I have actually sized down in this one, and to be honest, I wouldn't have actually been able to tell if I didn't look back at my order. This one I think is going to fit perfectly. It's obviously like an oversized fit. And I do like the fact it has got a hoodie. It's not your everyday hoodie that you find in any shop though. It is in this beautiful ribbed material. And I just think it's going to give a really cool, casual and comfy look. So let's try it and see what we think. So here is the hoodie on, and it really does look great with active wear underneath. So this is going to be a really good choice for like an after gym workout sort of layer. It's going to keep you warm because of the material. It's really comfortable to just throw on, and it looks great too. I love the fact it does have the hood detail, but these ones are great for styling in other ways as well. So you can obviously just wear it as I have. You can then also, if I just take this off, I really like at the minute, sort of tuck the hood underneath, go to throw it over your shoulder, but just make it go like over one, under the other. And then with the sleeves, you tie them at the front and just sort of mess about a little bit with it. But I just think that gives a really cool look, and it is still keeping you warm, but obviously then you can take it off and put it on fully once you're ready if you're a bit too cold. I just think this is such a cool way to add layers, add texture, and add even different colours to an outfit. So if you had like a different coloured hoodie. But yeah, I just think this is a really great look. And sizing, I would actually recommend sizing down in this one because I couldn't even tell that I had sized down. It's a very oversized and comfy fit. So that does conclude my In The Style try on haul for today. I really hope you've liked this video, but just a reminder, if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. It's completely free and you can unsubscribe at any point, but we have got a Valentine's Day giveaway going on, so make sure you have hit that so you know how to enter and will get notified once I do post the winner. So thank you all so much and I'll see you next video.